Jeremy's Gem and Fossicking channel back here again. Got into another creek, and yeah, it is looking quite promising. It's a creek in the Northern Rivers. I'm going to head down this way today. See if I can find, if not maybe a Thunderegg, but I'd be saying some decent chalcedony, maybe some agate. Right, let's wash this one up. Score! That is a little Thunderegg. See the chalcedony line in there? Beautiful. It's going to be a great one to cut open when I get home. Yeah, sometimes I even like to sing for the rocks. You know, it gives me makes me feel a bit more chance. Oh, my darling, my darling, and I love, feel your touch. Oh, look, no way. Oh, nice one. Oh, yeah. See, I told you it worked. So yeah, that's a bit of green jasper, moss agate. That's going to be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Completely stoked with that. Make some great pendants and great jewellery after my attempt of singing a great song. Thank you, Elvis. Cheers. Alright. I reckon that's a Thunderegg. Beautiful. A whole egg too. It's great when you find them actually in the ground. It's the best time. These bubbles really cut up and got some great colour through there. It's going to be a really cool one to cut open. Definitely awesome. Loving it. Alright, I'm getting pretty close to the end of this strip, I think. It's getting pretty tired and it's getting a bit dark, so gonna need to head back. I think this is going to be the last one I take here. This egg here. It's going to be it. So I might just have a quick look around the corner up here, and then I think I'll call that a day. Okay, got a bit of the haul back. Got some decent eggs to cut open. A few different good quality stones here. But I'm going to focus today on the eggs. So 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. I think the main ones I'm going to focus on. Cut them up and see how I go. Alright, cut those ones up. Some worked out better than others. So I decided to go through some of an old collection. This is one I sawed a while ago. Some great blue chalcedony. So I want to get some slabs out of this and start cabbing them up, turning into cabin notches. This is a nice bit of petrified wood I found a while ago. So amplified petrified wood. This is a nice bit of carnelian, a cross carnelian agate. Yeah. That won't even be interesting just to cut in half to begin with. It's got some great lines. But I'm going to turn that into some cabin notches as well. And just cut up a couple of more potential eggs. So hopefully turns out good. Alright guys, how you doing? Done a couple of other new specimens here. This one I think may be something similar to an ammonite. If not, maybe not exactly an ammonite. I'll show you why I think it's something like that in a second. This could be a potential Thunderegg. It has this other blue kind of mineral growing on the outside, so potentially have something inside. It does have a round look, so never know. Now, the reason, as I'd say, the ammonite, which can be a bit hard to see. First, the round texture. This is being broken off. It does get a bit hard to maybe focus in, but you actually can see lines sometimes that are coming around in a circle-like fashion. Lines around there. Same type of thing down here. So you get these types of lines to come through. And that happens around here on the other side. So whether it's an ammonite or some type of similar rock which has been agatized, I can only find out. So it could be an interesting one to cut inside and see. I'm not guaranteed to know what I'll get, but definitely looks quite interesting. So I'll have to give that one a go. Maybe this one too. Okay, well, decent cut come through, not too bad. Yeah, it's a nice little Thunderegg. Interesting with the blue material on the outside, but when it came through, decent, good bit of blue chalcedony in there, so that's a cool little Thunderegg. Not too bad. Pretty happy with that too. Well, I'm here. I thought I may as well show a couple of other specimens on the other trip that I found. So there was this one right here. Turns out to not be too bad. Actually quite nice. A great little Thunderegg in there. So I don't know if you were watching my show or when I was spotting this out of the creek, but I was right. See, on the outside you couldn't see much with these bulbs. Now from the inside, take a look, and that's actually quite stunning. Next one here, maybe a bit of light might help a little bit too in some circumstances here, showing the rocks. Once again, bang. This one I think you'd remember if I found out of the creek. Fantastic, isn't it? Beautiful little Thunderegg. Be a great one to chuck on the saw or chuck on the lap machine. There's this big one here. I don't know if I found that. I found that right at the end. So this one's pretty cool on the inside because it's got the chameleon on the outside line. So when you cut it open, it gets this real beautiful kind of whitish bluey type of chalcedony. So I think that'd actually be great to slab into some pendants instead of selling whole. Some good jewellery out of that. And last but not least, I have the Elvis rock. one that I found, the green jasper. And this stuff is stunning. Actually, it's beautiful. The green jasper with the blue chalcedony. It just comes across fantastic. Like, even just selling them as whole pieces like that isn't too bad, but I really think they make really unique style type of pendants. Go well for jewelry as well. So I'm going to slab these ones up, as the actual green jasper is a little bit brittle, so I like it when it's got this good mix between chalcedony and jasper. You know, it's imperial green jasper is what they call that. So that turned out fantastic as well. So hope you enjoyed watching. Bye. Okay, 2 successful cuts in the long run. Got what I thought might have potentially been something like an ammonite. I'm still skeptical to think it could be, but cut open, well, you know, just comes into a pretty impressive Thunderegg. It's got a lot of dark chalcedony, some beautiful white agate lines. This one even hits a little bit of a geo in there. So once this is shined up and see through, you'll get some white inclusion. So pretty impressed with these two. Not too bad. Definitely a good cut anyway. And the other one, as I said, had this blue top of mineral on the side of it. I would find out the name if I can take a look into it, but it's a bit of a rare mineral. Find it not too common. It's not worth a lot, but opening it up, not a bad little Thunderegg too. Blue chalcedony, quite a lot of decent texture, so pretty cool little Thundereggs to chuck onto the flat machine and shine up. So all in all, not too bad.